Hello everybody, and thank you for coming back to yet another YouTube video. In today's video, I am going to discuss how you can become a millionaire from real estate investing in a short amount of time. The hardest part when it comes to investing in real estate is coming up with that initial down payment. Typical down payments are 20%, so if you purchase a $150,000 rental property, you will need a $30,000 down payment. You can earn enough for a down payment by starting an online business or even working as a real estate agent. Working as a real estate agent will help you become familiar with the real estate market in your area, and it will become a lot easier to find good deals on properties. After you have earned enough for a down payment on a property, begin looking for properties that make sense financially. For your first house, I suggest you house hack. This can be done by buying a duplex and renting the other half, or simply buying a slightly larger single-family home and renting the extra bedrooms. House hacking will make it possible for you to live with almost no housing costs because the rent you collect each month is enough to cover the mortgage for the property and most of the other expenses. House hacking will allow you to save money that you would be spending on rent for other things like another rental property. The BRRRR method of real estate investing can help you expand your real estate empire much faster. BRRRR stands for buy, renovate, rent out, refinance, and repeat. This is when you buy a fixer-upper property, invest some money into it to increase its value, rent it out, and then refinance the property and take out the value you added to the unit during the renovation process. You can then use the cash that you got from refinancing the home to buy another home, and then you can use the BRRRR method on this new home. Then you can use the BRRRR method again and again and again and again, and soon you will own millions of dollars in real estate for little upfront costs. The two most important questions to ask yourself when using the BRRRR method is, how well does the property cash flow after all expenses, and how much value will I be adding to the property after renovating it? For rental properties, you want to make sure you are cash flowing every single month after taking into account the mortgage payment, property taxes, insurances, and maintenance. Before purchasing a rental, make sure you know all of the ownership costs along with how much you will make after subtracting these costs. On a $150,000 home, the mortgage payment is approximately $715 a month with a 4% interest rate. The $150,000 home can be rented to someone for approximately $1,500 per month. Property taxes for my state would be about $267.50 per month on a $150,000 home. Insurance would be approximately $100 per month, and maintenance would be about $150 per month on average. The total cost of owning a $150,000 rental is about $1,232.50 per month, and if you charge $1,500 in rent, you will cash flow $267.50 plus get free equity in your home every month. The next thing you want to look at when using the BRRRR method is how much value you are adding to the property with a renovation. So for example, if you buy a $150,000 home and spend $20,000 fixing it up, you want to make sure that the renovation is worth the cost. By that I mean, does the $20,000 renovation add $35,000 or more in value? If so, the renovation is worth it because you can then refinance the home and take out the extra money you added to buy another property. Real estate investing can be extremely profitable if you own numerous properties. It can cover all of your expenses and then some. Investing in real estate can allow you to retire and be financially free at a young age. You can easily accumulate enough rental income to cover your expenses in a 10-year span. All in all, investing in real estate is an effective and fast way to build massive wealth. If you are interested in learning more about investing in real estate, I have 3 of my favorite books on that linked in the description. These books will help you get started as a real estate investor. I got a lot of value from reading these books, and I truly suggest you guys check them out. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to be one of the first 100 subscribers to my YouTube channel.